Are you an estate agent that owns your own agency, or are you maybe aspiring to own your own agency at some point in the future? Have you ever asked yourself how you retain staff, how you retain agents, and how you foster an environment for the agency to grow? Nicolina Matty is going to be joining us on Thursday, the 20th of February, to conduct a training session where she will be discussing how to create impactful training programs in order to foster agent growth and team building. Now, Nicolene does this training for a living. She does it across the country for many, many agents. But this is an in-person event, one-of-a-kind in-person event held by Nicolene, sponsored by BSA Law. If you cannot make it, feel free to visit her site and get the course for yourself. But if you can make it, there's tons of value adds. I'm going to be speaking as well, and it'll be an in-person event where you get to network with other agents. So remember, 20th of February, that's a Thursday at the Buzz in Edenvale, but all the details are below.